Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 joystick with your PC. First, for a simple wired connection, just plug your PS4 controller into your computer using a micro USB cable. Your Windows operating system should automatically detect and install the necessary drivers. This method is straightforward and allows you to use your controller as a basic input device for many games right away, offering a reliable connection. For a wireless experience, ensure your PC has Bluetooth or use a USB Bluetooth adapter. Next, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the Share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. Then, navigate to your PC's Bluetooth settings and select Wireless Controller to complete the pairing process, giving you freedom of movement. To unlock your PS4 controller's full potential, consider using DS4 Windows. This free application allows for extensive customization and improves game compatibility by emulating an Xbox 360 controller. You can remap buttons, adjust trackpad sensitivity, and even change the light bar color. It provides a much richer gaming experience, making your controller feel perfectly tailored to your preferences. If you encounter any issues, first try updating your PC's Bluetooth drivers for optimal wireless performance. Always ensure your PS4 controller is fully charged before attempting a wireless connection to avoid interruptions. Remember that some games might require specific in-game controller settings adjustments for the best experience. These simple steps can help resolve common problems and ensure smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.